This is going to be an easy recipe to make an ice cream out of bananas. If you have to avoid dairy for any reason, this is a pretty good alternative. The ingredients are light coconut milk, 2 ripe bananas, these berry preserves, honey, and a little bit of pink salt. The first step is to cut up the bananas and then freeze them. After a couple hours, these should be frozen. You're just going to put them into a blender. Then we're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of the light coconut milk, and 1 spoon of the raw honey, 1 turn of the sea salt, which I can't do with one hand, and then just a tiny bit of water. You could also add vanilla extract or chocolate powder, depending on what you're looking for. But for this one, it's just going to be these. Then we blend it all up. That's the consistency once it's done. Then this is how we serve it. Just put it in a bowl, and then you put strawberry in the middle, and then you just kind of eat around it. So if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching.